welcome back to my channel. If you're watching for the first time, hi, I'm Ruhita Sen.
Moisturizing your skin is an important step. It not only gives you the perfect amount of hydration, but it also helps in reducing the excess sebum production and lack of sebum production, which in turn actually reduces the occurrence of acne and any breakouts, and also protects your skin from any external bacterial attack. So it's best to apply a moisturizer before you start your makeup. Let the moisturizer seep into your skin for good 5 minutes. And then I'm using a primer from Sugar Cosmetics, the Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. Apply a little extra primer on the zones where you have a larger or visible pores. I have on my cheeks and on my nose, so I'm applying a little extra there. Before doing the eye makeup, I will fill in my brows using the Sugar Cosmetics Arch Rival Brow Definer in the shade Felix Onyx, which is a dark blackish brown color, which is similar to my hair color. For cancelling out the pigmentation over my eyelids and my dark circles, I am using the orange corrector from LA Girl. It will hide my dark circles and the pigmentation I have over my eyelid space. For concealing, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium, applying it just below my brow and above it for giving a defined brow look and also creating an eye base for the eye makeup to be applied. After the application of concealer all over the eye area, dab a beauty blender to blend everything seamlessly and also removing the extra product if you have applied any. For the foundation, I have mixed two shades from Sugar Cosmetics, the Drop Base Serum Foundation. I will be linking everything in the description box. Do please check out. For setting the face, I am using the Krylon Translucent Powder in the shade TL4. You can use any translucent powder or even a banana powder for setting the face. I will be highlighting under eye using a shade lighter. I will be using the light shade from Maybelline Fit Me. Apply the same translucent powder under the eyes, so if there are any fallouts, it will be easy to clean up. For the eye look, I am applying a black eyeshadow starting from the outer V and blending it towards the middle of the eyeball. For the eye look, I am using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. You can use any palette you have. For the transition color, I am using a flat shader brush and digging into a brown shade and blending it really well just above the eyeshadow I have applied. I am creating a shimmer eyeshadow look. For that, I am taking golden color from the same eyeshadow palette, applying it using a sponge applicator. Using a blending brush, I'm blending out the harsh line that have been created while applying the eyeshadow and giving it a more clean and blended effect. For the lower lash line, I am using the kohl from Sugar Cosmetics, the Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in the shade Black Magic. It has some silver glitter particle which looks amazing. Taking a small precise blending brush, I am digging into black eyeshadow and I am blending that with the same kohl I have applied in the lower lash line and extending it towards the outer V. For liner, I am using the liquid liner from Faces Canada. For highlighting the brow bone, I am using a rose gold shade from the same eyeshadow palette and using it as a highlighter. Highlighting the inner corner, I am taking a golden eyeshadow and applying it just in the inner corner. For the blush, I am using from Sugar Cosmetics Coral Climax. I am taking a round brush and just dabbing it all over my cheeks. For moisturizing the lips, I am using the Himalaya Rich Cocoa Butter and defining the lips using the lip definer from Faces Canada in the shade Maroon. For the lip color, I am using a matte liquid lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Scarlet Starlet. It's a bright red color. For the eyelashes, I am using the Maybelline Hyperacle Mascara. This is the complete look.
If you love this look, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel below. And also hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.